Constitutional Amendment number 2 is a compromise between the assessors and the oil and gas industry about valuing property for oil and gas wells. It'll mean fairness. It'll mean that people can actually work together to value their own property.
The Louisiana Assessors Association, representing all 64 parishes and their assessors, is endorsing Amendment 2. We're endorsing Amendment 2 because we're trying to resolve issues that we've had between the assessors and oil and gas representatives as to how to value oil and gas wells.
I'm a third-generation family, workover family in Louisiana, based in Lafayette. My grandfather had Pelican well service. My dad had MONCLA well service. And my brothers and my uncle, we started a company called MONCLA Workover and Drilling in 2010.
What kind of condition is the oil and gas industry in Louisiana now?
It's pretty abysmal. It's been for pretty much a 6-year slide since the price crash in late 2014. From a personal side, our family business, it would create more working opportunities for our customers because they would have more money to spend on projects instead of having to pay money on ad valorem taxes. The ad valorem tax is basically a property tax paid at the end of the year, and currently it is based on what it would cost to drill a new well. A fairer way to do that would be to assess them on the amount of oil that is being produced out of the well.
Where does Louisiana stand compared to other states, and what would the Amendment number 2 mean if it was passed?
It would certainly balance the playing field. Other states use the income method. So having that would possibly bring other companies across the Sabine River to come over here, because it's certainly a much more business-friendly state in Texas as far as taxes go.
It's important because it was passed unanimously by the legislature. It is something that has bipartisan support. It has support from both parties. It is something that the people have the opportunity to weigh in on, and they should vote yes.
Constitutional Amendment number 2 is just very important. It allows us to proceed with in the direction that we've been trying to go, which is to help resolve some of the issues that keep us from fairly and accurately assessing oil and gas wells. So a very important vote yes for Amendment 2.
How can people get more information?
Go to our website, loga.la, and there's plenty of information on there about the amendment, and it's a vote yes, please, for that amendment.